Hello, everyone. Still in the the part one slides for Git. So just want to address a short topic. Um, Whenever you push to GitHub, you're going to be asked for your username and password, and that can get pretty old. But you can actually store those, your credentials, username and GitHub password, in your computer system, either temporarily or in a more permanent way, depending on the system you work on. And that can be a great convenience. So here's what you should do. If you happen to be working on the college's RStudio server, well, that works on an underlying Linux system and Linux operating system. And you cannot easily store your credentials forever, and you might not want to do that. But you can set Git to remember your credentials for any time that you like. With this command entered at the terminal, git configure global, so this will apply to every project you ever create. You appeal to a credential helper program that Git has, and you set this option for it to cache your credentials for um, a particular desired time that's measured in seconds. So the option timeout equals 3600 is actually going to cache your credentials for an hour. So all you would have to do is, if you like going for an hour, you can just copy this command, then head over to your RStudio server, go to your terminal, and doesn't matter what directory you're in at the moment, you can just enter that command and run it. Now, the next time that you push to GitHub, you'll still have to enter your credentials, but the time after that, they'll be cached and stored for up to an hour. And so, this will cut down considerably on the number of times you have to go through that painful process. So I hope you find this helpful. I should point out that if you've got your own RStudio installation, either on a Windows or a Mac machine, there are other ways that you will store your credentials. And you should consult this URL here for help on those matters. Also, I'd like to point out that in subsequent screencasts, I had actually got it wrong about how you store credentials, feet of clay, and all that, but I'd actually set this up so long ago that I've forgotten how it was done, and I got into a big confusion about how it's supposed to be done. And so you'll find me, repeatedly entering my credentials in subsequent screencasts and being very annoyed about that and complaining about something called SSH, which is totally irrelevant. Please ignore it. It's all going to be a lot easier for you because of this little bit of help. See you soon.